Here we have a 1990 Cadillac Brougham Elegance. This car has 6,343 original miles. The car is loaded with every available option, including the 5.7 liter V8, the Astroroof, factory wire wheels, Gold Edition, as well as the FE2 suspension. Car also has the factory security alarm with the locking fuel door, and pretty much has every available option in 1990 other than the factory CD player. The car is in pristine condition and has always lived in a temperature controlled environment. It is finished in sable black over antelope tan leather. This is just one of the Cadillacs in my collection. I have a few other Brougham Elegances, Fleetwoods, 60 Specials, DeVilles, Sevilles. This is one of the first times I've ever taken photos of this car or put it out there for people to see on social media, but it's a gorgeous car. It runs as good as it looks. I don't usually drive it. I'm more of a collector, and I just keep it in a temperature controlled environment. The car is a Texas car and was a Texas car its whole life. It was sold new in San Antonio. It is an early production Brougham, in that the build date was actually 1989. It actually came with quite a few options, considering it was one of the first ones off the line. Really much more to say other than that. It's a fantastic looking car. I really like these. I think they're last of a true classic, and I really think these are going to be a big hit later on as they get a little older. It's just that classic styling that you pretty much don't get anymore with most cars. Also have all the original sales brochures and of course the factory gold keys as well with it. Yeah, trunk is like new. Has a locking fuel door option, as you can see. Anyway, thanks for looking.